In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create full width pages within Website X5. So Website X5 has just released a new version, which is version 17, which was released on November the 14th, which is today, unless of course you're watching this video many months or years later. So one of the new features is that you now can create full width pages. So if perhaps you or the person surfing your website has a much larger screen, they can now view the entire website, or at least certain objects on your website in full width. So to enable the full width option, I'll show you now, is quite a simple process, but I don't know if it's, I don't think it's a brilliant kind of option in my opinion, but I'll kind of show you how it works. So you probably see here from the template option, you can choose your template structure. Sorry, no, go back there. You can choose your resolution and responsive designs, and you can basically choose here the width of your website. So mine's set to 1200 pixels, which looks like this. So it's, it's nearly full width, but obviously that gets kind of resized on the actual screen size, depending on the screen size of the user. So to make a page which is full width, what you need to do is go to your map area, number 3, and click on any of your pages. So if you haven't created a page, then do so. So once you create a page, you obviously drag these objects here from the right hand side to this option here, such as the text, image, and so on. So once you add these objects, you have the option here. So if I click on an object, you can see the new options here are margins and extend. So if you click extend, it extends the text here to the full width. So I'll just show you what it looks like normally. So that's what it looks like normally, as you just saw earlier. If I close that and then click the extend and then preview it again, you can now see that it's displaying full width. So whatever the kind of screen size you or people looking at your website have, it will now display full width. It doesn't, however, display the top header or the menu in full width. There's no option to allow that to be full width. So I find that a little bit strange that that can't be enabled, but perhaps it will in future updates. You can also see here you have margins options, so you can click the margins, and I've chosen if I just choose 1 and then preview the site, you can see it looks horrible as the text is right up against the edge of the website. So normally you would have to alter the margin. So if you choose, say, 20 or 30 as I just had, it would give you some kind of space between the edge of the website and the actual text object. So you can see how that kind of works. It displays that in full page, in full width. However, what I have found is that you cannot enable full width on objects such as this here. I have 4 objects in one row. It has to be a single object within a single row. So if I try and change that, click extend, it says it's not possible to extend the selected object because there are other objects on the same row. So it only applies to single objects in single rows. So basically there's no option to enable a full width page if you have multiple objects in one row. So that's kind of a downside, but you kind of get how it works. I mean, I'll just show you the bottom one. Again, click extend, then choose your margins. Let's just choose 20, and then preview it. And you can now see that particular object is in full width. So it's a nice little feature, but it's not a perfect feature in my opinion. But if you want to know how to enable it, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.